My name is Jerry Lee Jones Jr. I decided to join into the United States Air Force. That was my first introduction to the IT world in the military. Once I kind of got introduced from that, I loved it. I was really addicted. After graduating from ACI and getting my certification, I understood that, hey, the skills that they gave me, the skills that I got from ACI, let me take these skills and let me create my own company. I decided to go ahead and take it for myself and to build my own company, which is called Pythagorean LLC. I am actually out here competing with these big industries like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, and we're out here battling out. So I decided to go ahead and partner with these education businesses so that my employees can get the same benefits and education to better themselves, better their family, and even better their careers within the world. And to be able to get that head start above anybody else to really prepare for the future that we're going towards. So by partnering with ACI and having them as an education partnership, I believe, one, it gives me great credibility within my own business, and two, it really just benefits my employees by giving them the best certification education system, I believe, out here in the United States. By far. Pythagorean is looking into hiring people from ACI within the upcoming years. I'm gonna come out here and reach and hire you guys. I need you guys. I cannot run a company without people having the right and proper education and more importantly, having the best education from the best institution. From the bottom of my heart, I wanna say thank you guys. And I wanna say thank you for allowing me to partner with you guys and to also spread this opportunity to every single person underneath Pythagorean so that they can experience the joy, the happiness, the financial freedom, and the career and the future that you guys are gonna give them. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, ACI.